Well, the main thing that Jesus says is, love ye one another as I have loved you. He tells us that in John 17, he says that God is glorified. He asks God, he prays to God, says to God, God, make them unified like we are. Make them as one. Now, that idea goes contrary to the idea of individualism. Individualism is a Western idea that's been incorporated into many of our thinking systems, which cause us to think that our challenge is to just achieve something for me. So what I'm getting to is this, that because Jesus Christ knows the power of unity, knows the power of mutual perspective, he knows the power of doing unto others as you would have them do unto you. So as an economic principle, if I want you to buy from me, okay, I buy from you. If I want your children to have an economic opportunity, I hire them in my business and you hire mine in yours. If I want to have an economic opportunity, I make a sacrifice. And rather than going and buying a new car, perhaps I make an investment in your business. Or perhaps I do the things that other communities have done to empower each other. The Koreans have organizations they call GUYs, in which they make a sacrifice to come together to empower each other, to put each other in business. Not all of the businesses are successful, but they have a way in the community to raise capital to put each other in business. Other communities have similar capital raising ideas because they know that they share a common culture and a common heritage, and they also see themselves as working with each other in order to empower each other. And because their culture brings them together spiritually, they have a stronger business presence. That comes from unity. That type of unity is absent among African Americans.